Assalamu alaikum dear students. Myself Dr. Junaid Irshad and I am PhD scholar of biochemistry. Today our first lecture of biochemistry. We are going to arrange a playlist of complete lectures of biochemistry. So first of all, today our first lecture of biochemistry is the introduction of biochemistry. So we are going to start our first lecture, introduction of biochemistry. Dear students, all you know that the biochemistry is the main branch of medical plus biological sciences. So first of all, we are going to start the introduction. What is biochemistry? You know that the biochemistry is the branch of medical plus biological sciences in which we are studying about the in vitro and in vivo chemical reactions of all living organisms. बायोकेमिस्ट्री के अंदर हम डिफरेंट केमिकल रिएक्शंस को स्टडी करते हैं, वो इन विट्रो हों या इन विवो हों. इन विट्रो मीन आउटसाइड द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म and in vivo mean inside the living organisms. Inside and outside of the chemical reactions of all type of living organisms. It may be your human beings, it may be your animals, it may be your plants, all type of living organisms. So what are the main theme, main scope of biochemistry? You know that biochemistry is also called as the mother of all sciences. So how we justify this statement? Scope of biochemistry. We are going to discuss about the scope of biochemistry. You know that this field is present in all type of sciences. It may be the medical sciences. You know that all type of medical students are going to consult these topics, these lectures with your course content. All type of students, for example, MBBS students, students of allied health professionals, and doctor of pharmacy, doctor of veterinary and animal sciences, all type of medical students going to study about the scope of biochemistry. So biochemistry play a vital role in molecular biology, also play a vital role in virology as well. These are the main classifications of biochemistry, and these classifications also indicate the scope of biochemistry. Molecular biology and virology, you know that in the last 2 years of the pandemics of COVID-19, the scope of biochemistry is increases day by day with the presence of these sciences in this subject. So next, the main scope of biochemistry is going to discuss the diagnostic fields like pathology and microbiology is also part of your medical biochemistry. So the diagnosis of any type of chronic or acute diseases in labs, we are going to use the main tools of biochemistry present in pathology and microbiology as well. And you know that the most important field of biochemistry is the DNA recombinant technology and also the genetics, and you know that also biotechnology. These three sciences are combined to form the uniqueness and modernization of science in the form of vaccination, in the form of immunizations, in the form of multiple drugs formations. And the third point is the scope of biochemistry is And third one is cell biology. Biology is the vast field of biochemistry in which we are study about the cell organelles, functions of cell organelles, structures of cell organelles, and all type of metabolic cycles or reactions which is taken place inside the cell membrane and the other main organelles of the cell. Next one is the genetics. Do you know that the study of genes is called as genetics, and this branch of science is also part of the main branch is biochemistry. And also I will explain about the scope. You know that the biochemistry is the combo of three subjects. Is the combo of three subjects is chemistry, number one is chemistry, second one is physiology, and the third one is biology. This is the combination. This combination combined to form a complete setup of the subject is biochemistry. So you know that chemistry is the branch of sciences in which we are going to study about the chemical reactions takes place in living organisms, and the physiology study of normal functions of a living organism. It may be the cellular level, tissue level, organ level, system level, and complete system complete organism level. And the next one is the biology, study of life, which is the existence of life in this whole universe. Biochemistry play a vital role in the field of MLT. This is medical lab technology, also play a vital role in MLT. MLT is the field of clinical laboratories, where we are going to perform different types of tests. It may be your blood test, it may be your urine analysis, all type of tests going to study in this field. So biochemistry play a vital role in MLT in the form of diagnosis, in the form of care, in the form of any type of chronic disease, diagnosis of chronic disease. So point number 6, we are going to discuss about scope of biochemistry. Biochemistry, the scope of biochemistry is very broad. In the field of research also biochemistry play a vital role to find out different type of medicinal plants, in the field of pharmacognosy as well. So these are the subjects, these are the multiple subjects of all type of biological as well as medical sciences. So the importance of biochemistry in our life is to maintain the pH level of human body, to maintain the acid-base balance of the body, to maintain the electrolyte balance of the body, to maintain the homeostasis level of the body, and the all type of activities, control all type of activities in the form of reactions. It may be in the form of muscle contraction, in the form of muscle relaxations, with the help of multiple ions, with the help of influx and outflux of different ions. And also biochemistry play a vital role in enzymology as well, in the field of enzymes. So enzymology also categorized as the most important field of medical biochemistry. Enzymology basically study of enzymes. Enzymes are the organic catalysts. These catalysts are speed up the rate of reaction within very least time, very minute time. It may be the average time of enzyme work in 1 second is 1 into 10 ki raise power minus 13 time per second. This is the average time of any type of enzyme, and this is the main field of biochemistry as well.